when you talk about family, you're going to need to say things like I have. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to say those things in Finnish. First, listen to the dialogue where two people are looking at family photos. And then we'll go through the dialogue together, comparing spoken Finnish and standard Finnish. Kuka tossa on?
Se on mun serkku.
Onks sul paljon serkkuja?
Joo, mulla on varmaan 20 serkkua.
Kuka toi on?
Se on mun täti.
Onks sillä lapsia?
On. Sillä on 2 poikaa.
Ja kuka tää pitkä mies on?
Se on mun tädin mies.
Oi, onks niillä kultainen noutaja?
Joo, on. Tai siis oli. Nyt se on kuollut.
Mun veljel on kans kultainen noutaja.
Ai jaa. Meillä oli sellainen, kun mä olin pieni.
Onks sul nyt lemmikkejä?
Ei. Mulla ei ole lemmikkejä. Sulla on tosi paljon kysymyksiä.
Mä tiedän. Now let's have a look at some family photos. This one is our lesson. Family photos, perhekuvia. The girl is asking the guy, kuka tos on? Kuka, who, tos, there, on, is. And in standard Finnish, I would say, kuka tuossa on? Kuka tuossa on? And kind of means who is that or who is in that one, because tos means there or in that picture. And he answers, se on mun serkku. Se on mun serkku. In standard Finnish, I guess you could say se on minun serkkuni, or he might say hän on minun serkkuni. He is my cousin or she is my cousin. We don't know because in Finnish you don't use gendered pronouns. Se actually means it, but it could also mean he or she. Se on, it is mun, my, serkku, cousin. Number 3, onks sul paljon serkkuja? Do you have a lot of cousins? In standard Finnish, onko sinulla paljon serkkuja? So note that it becomes a lot shorter in spoken Finnish. Onko sinulla versus onks sul. This could also be onks sulla, but we've gone a lot shorter and said onks sul. Number 4, joo, mul or mulla on varmaan 20 serkkua. I probably have parikymmentä, around 20 cousins. Mulla or mul on, I have. And in standard Finnish this would be minulla on varmaan parikymmentä serkkua. Minulla on. This is very important. Learn how to say I have. Mulla on. And if you want to use standard Finnish, you would say minulla on. You cannot omit either of those words. You have to say mulla on or minulla on. Okay, number 5. Kuka toi on? Who is that? In standard Finnish, kuka tuo on? Tuo is the pronoun, the demonstrative pronoun that you use when you point at someone or something. Kuka tuo on? But in spoken Finnish, we often say toi. Compare these two. Tuo and toi. Same thing. Just the other one is standard, the other one is spoken. Number 6. Se on mun täti. It is my auntie. Or that is my auntie, actually. So se can mean it or that, depending on the context. Or it can also mean she or he. Standard Finnish, se on minun tätini, or hän on minun tätini. We have minun instead of mun and tätini with the possessive suffix, which, I've said this before, you don't really need in spoken Finnish. Number 7, Onks sil lapsia? This could also be onks sillä lapsia? Does she have children? Now we're using the word se, but it's in a different case. I know it doesn't look the same, but it is the word se. And when we want to say does she or he have, in spoken Finnish we say onks sil or onks sillä. We're using se, which actually means it also. But in standard Finnish this would be onko hänellä lapsia? Onko hänellä lapsia? And he replies, yes, she has 2 sons. On, sillä on 2 poikaa. This could also be on, sil on 2 poikaa. In standard Finnish, on, hänellä on 2 poikaa. 2 poikaa. Hänellä. Number 9. Ja kuka tää pitkä mies on? And who is this tall man? Ja, and, kuka, who, tää pitkä mies, this tall man, on, is. Note the word order. In English you would have to say who is this, but in Finnish you put the verb at the end. Kuka tää pitkä mies on? Who this tall man is. In standard Finnish this could be ja kuka tämä pitkä mies on. Tämä pitkä mies. Otherwise it's the same. Number 10. Se on mun tädin mies. Se on minun tätini mies. He is, or that is, my auntie's husband. Mun tädin mies. Mies can mean both husband and man. If you want to specify that you're married, you don't want any confusion, then you can say aviomies, a married husband. Number 11, she's asking, oi, onks niil kultainen noutaja? Do they have a golden retriever? Onko heillä kultainen noutaja would be standard, but onks niil, this could also be onks niillä kultainen noutaja. And niil or niillä comes from ne, which means they, but in standard Finnish that means inanimate objects and animals. But in spoken Finnish we use that to refer to people. Number 12, joo, on. Yeah, they do. They do have a golden retriever. Tai siis oli. I mean, they did. They did have one. Nyt se on kuollut. Now it is dead. Nyt, now, se on, it is, kuollut, dead. Number 13. Mun veljel on kans kultainen noutaja. My brother has a golden retriever too. And in standard Finnish this would be minun veljellänikin on kultainen noutaja. Minun veljellänikin on kultainen noutaja. Mun veljel on, my brother has. Kultainen noutaja, golden retriever. Kans means also. Mun veljel on kans kultainen noutaja. 14, number 14. Ai jaa, oh really? Meil oli sellainen, kun mä olin pieni. We had one of those when I was little. Standard Finnish, meillä oli sellainen, kun minä olin pieni. You can leave out minä, kun olin pieni. Meillä oli, we had, meillä oli. 15, number 15. Onks sul nyt lemmikkejä? Do you have any pets now? This could also be onks sulla nyt lemmikkejä? Onks sul nyt lemmikkejä? In standard Finnish, onko sinulla nyt lemmikkejä? Onko sinulla nyt lemmikkejä? Number 16. Ei. Mulla ei oo lemmikkejä. No, I don't have any pets. You could just say ei. And that means no, I don't. In standard Finnish, minulla ei ole lemmikkejä. Minulla ei ole lemmikkejä. This is another really important phrase or construction to learn. Mulla ei oo. Could also be mul ei oo, even shorter. Mul ei oo. Mulla ei ole aikaa. I don't have time. Mulla ei ole lemmikkejä. I don't have pets. Number 17. Sulla on tosi paljon kysymyksiä. You have a lot of questions. This could also be sulla. Sulla on tosi paljon kysymyksiä. And in standard Finnish this would be sinulla on tosi paljon kysymyksiä. Number 18. Mä tiedän. I know. And in standard Finnish, minä tiedän. Minä tiedän.
This video is part of my online Finnish course for beginners, which you can find in the link below this video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.